Well, hello gems, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing a wig from LuvMe Hair. So they were kind enough to send me over a wig to review for you guys. So this is the packaging. As always, LuvMe Hair packaging is just awesome. It's just so luxurious and awesome. They did send me the adjustable elastic band to put in the back, a bag to protect your wig after you take it off. They also send me some wig caps, which I can't get enough of, and just a card to label your wig for storage, make it better. So this is the wig. It is their 7x6 all day comfort HD lace wig, and I have it in 180% density. That's what the wig is looking like, guys. If you know LuvMe Hair, everything comes pre-plucked. Like, look at that hairline. The wig is pre-plucked. The hairline is so natural. I didn't have to do anything, and the wig comes with baby hair, as you guys can see. It's already done. Like, everything is already done. I am so in love with this wig. Like, it has the adjustable bra strap so that you could adjust it to fit any head size, like that's what it looking like. My head is small, so I put it to the last one. That's the parting space, a 7x6 parting space, give you maximum parting in the back, and on the sides it does come with one comb that you can remove if you don't need. I don't use it, so I didn't remove it, I left it in. And this is a silky straight texture, and that is the elastic band, so it has a secure hold. It will stay on your head glueless, okay, because it has the elastic stretchy cap. It has a removable comb and a bra clip to adjust to your different head size. So that's what it's looking like when I'm putting it on my head. It is easy to install, okay. It's glueless, the lace is HD, and it has a very supernatural hairline. The hair itself, it's super silky, like there's no tangles. I can run my hands through it and everything is perfectly fine. I really love this hair. I really do enjoy working with LuvMe Hair. I've been working with LuvMe Hair for over 5 years and I've never been disappointed, okay. This is the wig right out the box, guys. Like, look at it. Honestly, I was feeling myself a lot in this hair, maybe a little bit too much. Oh god, like, I love the hair. I love the wig. I'm not just saying I love the wig because I'm reviewing it, but I'm saying I love the wig because I really do love the wig. It's been almost 2 weeks, I think, since I've installed it, and I'm still wearing it. Up to this day, I'm doing this voiceover. I'm still like, look at it, straight out the pack. You didn't look at the hairline, look at the lace. The one thing I like with this wig, the lace is super thin. Like, it's, look at the hair. This is 180% density, guys. It is just super thin, and I have it in 24 inches, I think, and it's just awesome. It is just beautiful. It is very lightweight. It is super comfortable. It is their all-day comfort wig. So comfortable. You can part it. You get a 6-inch parting space to the back, and you get a 7 from ear to ear, which I like. I'm not a big fan of closures. Not closure, frontals. I really do love a closure because they work so easy for me. I don't like using glues or adhesive. I just like to put it on, melt the lace, and I'm gone, because I want to be able to take, look at that, look at the hairline. Like, look how natural it is. It comes pre-plucked. I didn't even have to pluck it. Like, I didn't have to do anything, okay. But I am going in just to tint the lace a little bit, just so it matches my complexion, and I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the darkest shade, and that's what it's looking like after I tint the lace. Again, the lace did come pre-bleach, so I didn't have to do anything, and that's what it's looking like. I am going to lay the baby hairs down, and again, the baby hairs, they were cut to perfection. They were the perfect length, perfect everything. I'm just using that got to be glued just to lay them, and again, this got to be glued will let the hair stay on my, look at that. I didn't even put any product on it, and look at it. I was feeling myself. I was feeling the hair. But in all honesty, like, this hair lifted my confidence like so much. Like, before I put this wig on, my hair needed to be done, but when I put this wig on, you can't tell me I didn't go to the salon. You can't tell me I'm not coming from the salon, guys. Like, This is just absolutely perfect. The hair doesn't shed a lot. There's a little shedding, but not much. Can you guys see how happy I am with this hair? Listen, I am never disappointed in a hair from LuvMe here. Never. Their wigs are comfortable. They're easy to install because it comes pre-plucked. If you're a beginner, LuvMe hair wigs are for you. Easy. You don't have to know how to glue, nothing. You see, after adding the concealer, how much that thing blended? Look, you can't even tell. Like, you can see me feeling myself. Oh God, I was feeling myself. So that, clock it, man. So listen guys, this is gonna be it for the hair. It is wonderful. Please check it out. You will not be disappointed, I'm telling you. I didn't draw for my hot comb, I didn't draw for my flat iron. I just took it out the bag and put it on, and that's what it's looking like straight out the box. Look at that. Glueless. Clock it. Just clock it, guys. This wig is tea, I'm telling you. It's tea. It ate. So if you're interested, just go ahead, check the description box for the link, and there'll be a discount code in the description box for you guys. I'm gonna put the discount code on the screen as well, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Keep saying, queens. Bye.